case of bird flu has been identified in Rouge National Urban Park.
Now there are concerns other animals may be impacted. CTV's Rahim Ladhani has more on what wildlife and human health experts are saying.
Within the vast forests and creeks of one of North America's largest urban parks, officials have confirmed a case of bird flu and believe there are at least 5 others, all among Canadian geese.
It was like really rapid all of a sudden, and we haven't had any reports since then, which is good, but we know it's still there.
People walking with pets in Rouge National Urban Park are being advised to keep dogs on leash and away from wildlife. The outbreak comes after 2 snowy owls were found dead near Tommy Thompson Park late last year, also infected with a strain of avian flu.
There is mass outbreaks outside of our park boundary that we're really concerned about as well. And not just like Canada geese, like we've had swans suspected in past years.
Human infection with avian flu is rare, according to officials. However, last November in British Columbia, a 13-year-old girl was Canada's first H5N1 patient and spent weeks in intensive care. Currently in the United States, cases of the highly contagious virus are soaring. At least 67 people have been infected since 2024, and 1 person has died.
In humans at the moment, we are not in the midst of an epidemic in Canada, nor are we in the midst of a pandemic, but it's of course something that we have to take very seriously and watch very closely.
South of the border, bird flu outbreaks have spread nationwide, with strains detected in cattle herds and poultry markets, which has led to the surging price of eggs. According to the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, there is no evidence the virus found in U.S. dairy cows has expanded into Canada. The CFIA says avian influenza is not a food safety concern, citing there is no evidence to suggest eating cooked poultry or eggs could transmit the virus to humans.
Avian influenza, as the name applies, is in birds. It's in migratory birds that fly all over the world.
The Toronto Zoo says it has been taking precautionary measures against bird flu for years, including separating guests from susceptible animals. And so recent cases of the virus in Rouge National Urban Park have not changed its approach. Rahim Ladhani, CTV News.